You ready, guys? Let them get in some more. Better kill them. Boys! Boom, we're recording. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Me and Les are out going out scouting. We're looking for them white birds. That's all we want to do is hunt them.
We'll find them.
We got a tip on some snow geese up by where we've hunted before. I guess there's about 8,000 snows and 2,000 ducks, so
it's smash time.
It's good to know people that see birds, and so yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna do some scouting here. Hopefully we find some birds for tomorrow. I haven't checked the wind or the conditions, but we both got the day off, so we're gonna go shoot some birds. Stay tuned, guys. That's what we're talking about. That's the best snow feed we've been able to find. It's the most snows we found all night. Now to try and get permission. We kind of know the landowner, so we'll make some phone calls here and see what comes up. What's up, guys? So we made her back into the field here. As you've seen the scouting, we're just getting some decoys set up here. Set up with the boys. Got Adrian here, and my buddy Tyrell, and you guys all know Les. So just getting the spread set out here. We're gonna do a big J. We got a nice southwest wind gusting to 23 kilometers. Trailer's lighting up the field. Looks awesome. Feels great. Nice and cool to be out here. What do you think, Les?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Tyrell? We gonna have enough decoys or what?
Yeah, I think we should have.
Oh, we gotta think big because there's a lot to put out. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got. We got a good wind. It's nice and cool. Birds should be hungry. They're coming from the Goose to the southwest here. And we got a south wind that's supposed to change to a southeast. So yeah, big long J. Hopefully they'll come on our left and hook right in here. I don't know what else to touch on. We got something coming here soon. It's kind of been in the works for the last little bit, but stay tuned, guys. Yeah, big news coming, guys. Just stay tuned. So we'll get these decoys set up. I'm probably gonna only run the camera for singles and doubles. Otherwise, you'll be on my GoPro. So stay tuned, guys. Let's rack them. Okay, we got the spread set. We did a big L, couple holes in the middle. Had my clones out there, but the battery's dead, so we're screwed for that. Lester's over here brushing our blinds. Yeah, spread set up, waiting for the sun to come up. Boys are getting us some more pea chop. We got a good wind. I hope she works. You know what I can do is steal the batteries out of my modules and hook them up to that. MacGyvering, the think on the fly. Okay, we got 2 minutes to shoot and light. We just got sat down in the blinds. We already had a group of specs come in. Let's smash them. You guys ready? Better kill them. We got 3. Good job, boys. Them 2 balled up, hey? You ready, guys? Let them get in some more. Better kill them. Boys! Load up, we got more. Yeah, nice shot. Nice shot, Adrian. Snow, straight out, guys, right out front. Big group coming. Get ready. Get ready. Kill them, boys. Let's kill these ones right here. Woohoo! Kill them ones on the ground there, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Get ready, get ready. You guys ready? Let them come right over. Kill them, boys. There we go. Nice shooting, boys. Okay, boys, you ready? Come! We got a couple. We got a couple. So yeah, once again, we had a pretty crazy hunt. We got 23 snows on the ground, and we're 6 short of our dark limit. So we got a snow we just shot at. Oh, 3 on the deck, boys. 3 on the deck. Gotta go. Better kill him. Nice shooting, boys. Nice shooting. We got 4 or 5. Ready. Try them. Try them. We got them both. You want to try them? Too high? I don't think so. Try them. We got one. Watch out, watch out. Let's kill these snows right here. Kill these snows. Good job, boys. Good job. Kill him. Ready, boys? You guys ready? Kill him. Nice job, boys. Okay, let's pick up. Okay, we're gonna go on these ducks, guys. Rip them. Yeah, boys. Well, the boys are just, oh, wait, I'll zoom that out here. Well, the boys are just cleaning up the spread. Turned out pretty good. We shot 61, maybe 62. We've seen 1 snow up there. I hope you guys liked the hunt. It's a lot of fun. We had some big wads come in. I think dropped 6 or 7 out of them, but here's the pile, guys. Give you a little look at it. 32 darks, 23, maybe 24 snows, and 6 ducks. That is a hunt, boys. Just loading decoys. Just want to say thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. We're gonna be going on some more hunts here. Les just found a decoy that got shot. But stay tuned for more, guys. It's a lot of fun. I don't know what else to touch on. Blinds worked good. We had a good wind. I didn't even know we were here. But on to the next one, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned. What? What do you think about that hunt?
That's a dandy.
You got something to say about it?
They worked good. We shot lots, and I had lots of fun.
It's all you need.